What's up guys, this is Raine from WWE What If, and if you are wondering why I'm making this video, well, first of all, I am not a financial advisor. I am pretty much encouraging you to invest. Well, whether it be in the stock market or just pretty much investing in yourself to learn something new, well, I think that we should all do something now that most of us are just staying at home and bored and just looking for something to do. This is the perfect time to invest in ourselves. And as for me, I have been learning how to invest in the stock market because I think this is the best time to buy because everything's down. So why not learn something that, number one, could help me grow, learn more information and grow, and at the same time, I have the chance of making my money grow, right? So for a beginner like me, I've used different tools to kind of help me navigate this world of investing. The first one is Fidelity. Now, if you guys have a 401k account with Fidelity, they actually have live workshops online or videos on demand that could help you learn your way into investing. As for myself, I found it really useful because whenever I attended those live workshops online, I was able to ask questions to a financial advisor. So I personally found that really helpful. Number two, I've used TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade has different lessons online where you can pretty much study whatever you want to study. As for me, at first, I thought the information would be too overwhelming, but honestly, TD Ameritrade broke it down so well that for a beginner like me, I'm not scared at all. Well, I still am, but I am more confident now. Well, the lessons also have quizzes, so it's gonna be really hard. No, I'm just kidding. It's like between 2 or 4 items, and you have the option to retake them, or don't even take them if you don't want to. But hey, they're there to help you, right? The third tool that I've been using is Robinhood. Now, I first downloaded Robinhood years ago, and honestly, I had no clue how to use it because I had no idea how to invest in the stock market. But now that I'm learning these things from Fidelity, from TD Ameritrade, I am putting all of these knowledge that I've learned so far and have been using Robinhood. I found the app really user-friendly, so if you guys want to check it out, they offer free stocks if you sign up through that link below, and you don't really have to put in any money in it. I believe you only have to put in your credit card information, but my friend actually downloaded it and she said she only had to put her credit card information. She hasn't bought anything, but she earned a free stock. So you guys could do what my friend's doing. Just pretty much get that free stock and kind of go from there. Now, the other tool that I've been using is YouTube. Why? Because a lot of people have been uploading videos as to how beginners like me could invest even just $100 bucks. And I thought that was really amazing because these people are sharing their knowledge with us. And I'm actually gonna put in their links down below because that's my form of thanking them for sharing their knowledge. I'm gonna give them a shout out down below. And if you guys wanna check them out, please feel free to click those links. Now, you guys, like I said, I am no financial advisor, but I do believe that this is the perfect opportunity for us to invest, whether it be in learning something new or, as for me, investing in the stock market. This too shall pass. You guys stay home, stay safe. Until next time, thank you for watching.